All right, thanks to PCBWay for supplying boards to the channel. We have our boards back for our 8755 adapter card. All right, and it would look something like this. And so the boards look great, and we've got IMSAI dog in the back. Very nice. Okay, so I have loaded up one of these parts. It's got a HCT 373. Now, probably should do a whole video on that. But if you have a device that has TTL in it, so I see some LS parts here, and the 8080 parts were kind of MOS parts that were kind of TTL levels and stuff. You can expect TTL levels. Here's a part over here, an LS part. So you're looking at a TTL level device. In fact, here's an even older one, 7400. That's an old, and a 7474. So those are original. These are LS parts. But as time progressed, CMOS came about. And you could get these devices in CMOS if you knew the trick. So there was an HC series, so 74HC. And that was a CMOS equivalent of these other ones, except for the voltage levels. But if you bought one that had a T in it, so it's HCT, the T stands for TTL. And so it adheres to the TTL standards of voltages and stuff. So if you're going to use a part like on here, I'm going to put an HCT part in here to adhere to TTL levels. Okay, so that's enough about HC versus HCT. And I have some HCT parts here. Philips, which became NXI. Okay, NXP? NXP. Yeah, anyway. NX, you know those guys. The problem is, and there's always a problem, right? The problem is I can't use it, all right? And why is that? Well, when I laid out the board, I just put the part down here, figuring everything's just fine. Well, this particular location has this display in the way, okay? And so if I actually line this up to where it should be, it would have to go here, and it overlaps the display. And if I try to go under the display, it can't. It bottoms onto the display itself. So either I have something that looks like this, which is dumb, okay, or I lay it out to be this way. So I'm just going to do that. There's another error on the board too that I want to fix. So I have moved the part. I should have done this the first time. I have moved the part and printed it out 1-to-1. And so the new board will set in exactly like that. Oops, exactly like that. So there's going to be plenty of room to hang off over here. There's nothing on this side, and it won't stay out of that stuff. And so that's what I will do. I'm almost too embarrassed to tell you about the other error, but like I said, truth in this channel. I show all the warts, and even though they make me look really stupid sometimes, and this one does, it is what it is. So when I put in the HCT 373, I needed a surface mount version. Where's the camera? Surface mount version for this package. And there are different sizes, and I knew that the HC and the 373s came in the wide package. There's the little narrow ones. Let's see, I think I've got, yeah. So that's a little narrow one, okay? And if you take a look at the other kind, the fat kind, okay? And I knew that I needed a fat kind, so I grabbed the fat kind, and I threw it in the program, and everything looked fine. I should have printed it out and tried a part. I didn't even have any parts. I had to go buy parts. And anyway, failure after failure always stacks up. Anyway, this footprint's too small, okay? Now, there are parts that come in this footprint, but I'm unable to find a 373 in that package. I looked all around, and I can't find one. Otherwise, I'd use this board, but I can't. This one's just kind of stuck on there for visual effect. It's not making electrical contact. So anyway, like I said, the new board's going to go in like so, and the little chip will fall off the end over this away, and everything should be good to go. So anyway, this project's ending up taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but that's the way projects are. So don't get frustrated. Go do a different project, right? While I'm working on this project, I'm working on 3 other projects at the same time. I'm always running multiple projects. And so, you know, I'm doing stuff over here, and I'm always doing different projects at the same time. So we'll just have to wait for new PC boards to come back, about a week delay, and then we'll be able to try this out. And then we'll probably find another error. So yeah, there you go.